Hey guys, it's the Custodian here, and I'm here to show you how to restore your own headlights. So today I'm using Meguiar's two-step headlight restoration kit. This is the moderate version, and there is a basic and a severe version, but the basic is a little too basic for me, and the severe you have to have a drill. So this is just like the easy go-to. What it provides is a cleaning solution, headlight coating, and cleaning pads. 2 cleaning pads to be exact. But what you will need are gloves, masking tape, a damp towel. The first step is to wipe off the dirt that is already on it with the damp towel. Make sure you get all the dirt and scrub it if you need to. The second step is to tape around the headlight. You're going to want to do this because the headlight coating is pretty sticky and it can damage the paint. So you want the tape to go all the way around. And now the third step is cleaning. The cleaning will remove any heavy oxidation, yellowing, and scratches that you see, or most of them at least. What you're going to want to do is put a quarter-size amount of the cleaning solution onto the cleaning pad and begin to scrub back and forth. Make sure it is evenly distributed among the headlight. If you need a little bit more, that's totally okay. Just make sure that at the end that everything is evenly frosted and foggy looking, and then you're going to want to wipe that off with a damp cloth. Let it dry for a few seconds. Then you're on to the third step, which is going to be an amazing part. It's the most satisfying part. So you're going to take the headlight coating spray and just spray it evenly along the headlight. Make sure you get every section. I suggest standing a little bit back though. You don't want to be too close because I've noticed a problem where if you're standing too close and get too much in one spot, it will begin to drip and look like it is just like a water drip, and that will be permanent, and that's going to be very hard to get off of there. So I would say stand back at a normal distance when spraying. Then you're going to let that dry for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're just going to do that again. And that's it. Like, it's easy, it's short, sweet, gets the job done. I highly suggest this brand to anyone that is a detailer. It is an amazing brand, Meguiar's. I trust them. So yeah, that is how you restore your headlights. I hope this has helped you. Please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.